D&D Finance, helping you making better financial decisions. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started. Tesla stock a buy at a price of $860. Soon enough you will find out. So let's start with this news. Tesla is searching. Is it too late for investors to get in? So I read through this article, and the most interesting part of this article is this one. If you are a core EV electric vehicle believer, we are still in the early days of the market playing out, he said. I'd only compare it to what I've seen from Apple launching the iPhone for comparison, and Netflix also for comparison with the streaming service, or Amazon with their Prime. So this is what he said to the EV industry in general, so not specifically to Tesla. So we will talk more about it later. Another, smash the like button for no reason. An interesting news article from this billionaire investor, and he said, don't sell a Tesla share. And according to him, he said that I tweeted this a while ago that I thought the world's first trillionaire would be a person fighting climate change. According to Palihapatia, it very well could be Elon. It is very likely that it is Elon Musk that he will be the first trillionaire, because with every company he built, it becomes successful. So it's not only Tesla that is a successful company right now, it's also SpaceX that he also runs at the same time. For any questions so far, feedbacks or comments, just leave it in the video description below. To handle two companies at the same time, but yeah, SpaceX is also a successful company of Elon Musk. So Elon Musk has a track record to succeed with any company he built. So that was also like PayPal he founded before, that was also successful. So for that reason, he has a very good chance to become the first trillionaire. Giga Berlin. So that one, for this year 2021, this year will be a better year for Tesla, because the whole world crisis is also more under control thanks to the vaccine. And this Giga Berlin, they will be built in July 2021. So roughly in half year, the whole factory will be completed and ready to produce Tesla vehicles. So yeah, each Gigafactory and the Tesla Gigafactory have a capacity of producing about 500,000 vehicles per year. And another good news that the Gigafactory Texas will also be completely built at the end of this year 2021. So yeah, this year they will be able to produce way more cars than the previous year 2020, which is also a very good news for the Tesla stock. And another very interesting news is they will deliver the $25,000 compact car in 2022 already, so in 2 years. Well, during the Tesla Battery Day, Elon Musk mentioned that he will deliver this 25,000 compact car 3 years later, which means in 2023. But right now it seems like they are able to accelerate things, so this new car model will be even delivered 1 year earlier. So that's also very good news for Tesla stock. And yeah, if you look at the website, for example, in the US, if you want to buy or order a Tesla Model 3, you have to wait up to 12 weeks to get it. So yeah, the demand is super high for Tesla vehicles in general. They can't keep up with the demand right now. That's why, yeah, they are building more gigafactories. But it's not only in the US, also in China. That's the biggest EV market. And over there, if you order a Model Y, you have to wait up to third quarter 2021, which means the waiting time is about half a year, so even longer. So yeah, Tesla vehicles are selling like hotcakes, not only Tesla vehicles but also Tesla stocks. That's why you can see that the Tesla stock is fairly high. So here are some estimates according to many analysts. So for the next year, the revenue will increase about 47%. Well, I mean, not next year, but this year, 2021. So for this year, the whole year, the revenue will increase 47%. So yeah, that's why the Tesla stock will perform even better. How much better? We will see, I will tell you. So let's have a quick look at the Tesla stock right now. On 8th January 2020, Tesla stock is at around 877 US dollars. The market cap here is at around 800 billion US dollars. So it is still the most valuable car maker in the world. But yeah, this year they have a good chance to be the most valuable company in the world. So the Tesla stock price will more than triple this year. So if you look at the stock, like 1 month ago, the Tesla stock was at around 610 US dollars. That's an increase of about 44%. That's a nice performance. And 1 year ago, the Tesla stock price was at around 105 US dollars. So for that 1 year performance, it was more than 700%. That's quite interesting. So let's have a closer look at the Tesla stock. Their market cap is, as mentioned before, around 800 billion US dollars, and the PE ratio is like more than 1,500. That's the thing, because Tesla stocks are selling like hotcakes. That's why people are buying it in storm. So yeah, that's why the PE ratio keeps increasing and increasing, because people are willing to pay a high price for this stock. And according to technicals, it is a buy. Well, this is not a financial advice or some sort. This is just for entertainment purposes only. But yeah, according to many analysts, they say, yeah, it is a buy. So let's have a closer look at the Tesla stock chart. As you can see here, on this red support line, the Tesla stock is really rallying, skyrocketing almost since November. Yeah, since November. So that was the time where it was announced that Tesla stock will be included into the S&P 500. Yeah, something like that. And since then, the Tesla stock skyrocketed. I mean, there were also many other good news for the EV industry in general, because the Senate is right now the majority of the Senate is now Democratic. So that's also a very good sign for the EV industry in general. And overall, the whole world, all the major countries like China, Japan, Germany, UK, in the US, they will increase the EV market share by law. So many will even completely ban the classical combustion engine vehicles in 2035, something like that. Yeah, and China will also increase the EV market share from currently 5% up to 20% in 4 years. So yeah, there's a huge effort to increase EV vehicle sales. So currently the RSI indicator says it's at around 83, so it is overbought, which means there will be very likely a pullback in the coming days and weeks. But yeah, that's more like a quick pullback than a major pullback, and then after that healthy pullback, the Tesla stock will continue to rally. So yeah, I would buy this Tesla stock at a price at 860 US dollars. But yeah, this is not a financial advice or some sort, just for informational purposes only. So yeah, I've also mentioned before, I also mentioned in a separate video, the Tesla stock price will reach around 4,000 US dollars this year, 2021, because this year Tesla will even do better than in the previous year. So this video is on my stock price targets playlist. I have so many playlists here that you can check out. I have also a dedicated Tesla stock playlist. So yeah, feel free to check it out. According to YouTube, you should watch the video on the left side on the screen next.